So this is how to fix YouTube failed to start several times. Restore it by clearing its history. So what you have to do is to first of all go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. When you find it, just tap on it. Then you tap on the Google Play to search for the app. Then you tap YT to search for it, and YouTube is going to appear. Then you tap on the YouTube app. What you have to do over here is to update. So tap on this update. So after tapping on it, it's going to download and reinstall on your device for you. So you have to download, you have to wait. So as you can see, it's pending over here, so you have to wait. It's going to finish right now. So guys, let's wait. So as you can see, it's around 0%, and it's going to move from 0% to 100%. So let's wait, be patient. It's going to finish right now. So as you can see, it's installing on a device. So let's wait for it to install on a device. So it's going to finish right now, so let's wait. It has kept long too much. So boom, we are done. So after updating it, you will see uninstall and open over here. So don't try to tap on this uninstall or open button over here. So don't try to tap over here or here. Don't tap anywhere. What you have to do is to go back to your phone menu and try to go to your settings app. So just tap on settings to move to your settings. Then after that, what you have to do next is to tap on apps and notification. So after tapping on app and notification, you're going to see it loading. So after loading, you're going to see all apps. Then you tap on the see all apps. So guys, let's wait. So tap on it, as you can see, and it's going to load. So as you can see, YouTube app is going to be around the last section, and these apps are a lot. So I have to tap over here to search, or else the video will be very long. So let's search for YouTube. As you can see, when you type in you, you're going to see the app. So you tap on it. When you find it, then you tap on force stop. After that, tap on notifications, then make sure this notification is really turned on. Then go through to see everything whether it's clear. After that, tap on permissions and make sure all permissions are allowed but not denied. And now tap on storage and cache, clear the cache. Then tap on storage, then also clear the storage. And after that, what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, or mobile data and restriction. Then you make sure background data is turned on. After that, go back, then you turn it on again. Then after that, you go back, then you restart your device. So after restarting your device, everything is going to work successfully. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.